This is my microwave. The other day, I was trying to reheat my soup. Then all of a sudden, there's a sparking inside my microwave, and I got scared. I turned it off and I unplugged it. And I did throw it in the garbage because I was scared that it might, cause fire. So I threw it away. Then I went to work. I went back. I saw the microwave still there, and I thought about it. What if I fix it? So I brought it back in the house. I checked what was the problem. I opened it. I saw this one. This one was sparking. So I Googled it. I went online and searched for something like replacement for this thing. It's actually, you call it a waveguide. It's easy to take it off. Just pull it and bend it, and it snap out. So this was the one that's sparking. So I went online. I bought it for $7.99. I got 5 pieces. So now I'm gonna replace it with a brand new one. Let's see if I can use one hand. It should be good. Now let's see if it's gonna work. I repeat, that's you call that waveguide, microwave waveguide. Okay, see if it's gonna work. Let's turn it on. Let's just put 1 minute or just 30 seconds. It works. Yay! See, I just saved my almost $200 microwave. I thought I was just gonna throw it away in the garbage. It works. Thank you. So that's it. I made it work. Hope this helped you guys. Thank you.